In this video, we will see SAP PP common tables. So what the common table is and where, for what purpose it is used in SAP PP. Next, what are the tables in SAP PP? So it is the software part that if you do some transactions in some particular areas, so if you put the some made a material for particular like mobile/1, so that data has been stored on particular location. That location is nothing but the table. So it is the software part. While we do changes, it goes on a particular location. As we discussed, if you make a particular material, it will goes a particular table and that will be saved. So that location is a table. The transaction code to see the tables is SE16. SE16 is the transaction code. Next, we will see some tables like table for material requirement planning. So document headed data, this table is there. For data table structure, this table is there. Then same way for stock analysis, SO94, like this. Next, if you see demand management, the tables for independent requirement data, this table. For independent requirement by material, this table is there. So this is the name of the particular table where the data has been stored by the independent requirement by material. Next, in planned orders, details has been stored by PLAF table. Next, the repetitive manufacturing. In repetitive manufacturing, what the material uses? If you put a data regarding material uses, it will go toward this SO26 table. Then RS header master data, it will go to the SAFK table. Next, there are other tables also. The table for material, the table for BOM header, the table for BOM positions, the table for routing, the table for order header and order positions. So like this, the various tables in SAP PP for BOM, for routing. Next, in practical, we will see how to view the SAP PP table in SAP ERP system. Transaction code is SE16. Now you will see in practicals. In common tables, we have seen the transaction code. By using the transaction code of SE16, we can able to see tables. So now put a transaction code as SE16, then enter, then search, then go for SAP applications. Here if you see, there are so many different modules, and under the different module different tables. For so PP, if you click over here, PP, see this LASP, for CRM, PPCRM, PPPI. So these are the tables where we will going to be view different tables in SAP PP.